So we had a company gift us this commercial food dehydrator. Now, as you can see, this thing is massive. It's an 800-watt stainless steel unit, and it does have some features on it that I do want to share with you because I was pretty impressed with this. So as you can see at the top here, there is an LED display, and that's just going to control your time, the temperature. You can also hit the light here, and that'll light up your inside of the unit. Like I said, this is stainless steel, and it is constructed very well. It does have little handles on the side here that are going to help you move it. It also has a really nice locking mechanism on the side. It also came with these that actually make it really convenient to be able to grab the shelves when they are done dehydrating. Not that they're going to be too warm because you are dehydrating on a pretty low setting. But if you're cautious, you could definitely use these, and they do come in handy. They also give you these sheets that are made of like a silicone type material, and that would be good if you have something that you know is going to stick to the trays themselves. Now, the inside of this unit does hold 18 trays, and those trays are stainless steel. Now, the unit itself I was super impressed with because I was able to get a lot of fruit in this unit. And this unit does have 2 fans within it, and those fans actually allow this unit to give us 360-degree circulation of the heat, which is a great feature because it made my fruit come out perfect. I was super impressed.